The decision of how to plan your trip can significantly impact your overall experience. Should you take the DIY route, do it yourself, or seek assistance from a travel agency? In this video, we will weigh the pros and cons of both options, helping you make an informed decision that suits your travel style. So, fasten your seatbelt, and let's embark on this journey of choice. Let's start with DIY travel. Benefits of DIY travel. 1. Cost savings. You can choose affordable accommodation and dining options, saving money for activities you truly cherish. 2. Personalization. DIY travel lets you create a tailor-made itinerary. 3. Empowerment. Managing every aspect of your trip can be empowering. It enables you to learn valuable travel skills and boosts your confidence. Challenges of DIY travel. 1. Time-consuming. Planning a trip can be time-intensive, involving research, bookings, and logistics. 2. Unforeseen issues. DIY travelers must handle unexpected situations, such as flight cancellations or accommodation problems, independently. 3. Language barriers. Dealing with language differences can be challenging, especially in non-English speaking countries. Tips for successful DIY planning. Thorough research. Invest time in researching your destination, including visa requirements, local customs, and must-see attractions. Travel insurance. Always have comprehensive travel insurance to safeguard your trip against unforeseen events. Local SIM card. Get a local SIM card for easy communication and internet access while abroad. Now, let's look at the travel agencies. Benefits of using a travel agency. 1. Expertise. Travel agents possess in-depth knowledge of destinations, ensuring a well-planned itinerary. 2. Time saving. Agencies handle all bookings and logistics, saving you precious time. 3. Exclusive access. Some agencies have access to special deals and discounts, enhancing your travel experience. Challenges of using a travel agency. 1. Cost. Travel agencies may charge service fees, potentially increasing your overall expenses. 2. Limited flexibility. You might have less freedom to deviate from the planned itinerary. 3. Less personalization. Group tours may lack the personal touch you desire. How to choose the right travel agency. When selecting a travel agency, keep these factors in mind. Reputation. Read reviews and seek recommendations from friends or online forums. Transparency. Ensure all costs and fees are transparently communicated. Specialization. Choose an agency that specializes in your desired destination or travel style. Cost comparison. One of the critical aspects of travel planning is budgeting. Whether you choose DIY or a travel agency, understanding the costs involved is crucial. Here's how the two options stack up. DIY travel. With careful planning and budgeting, DIY travel can be cost-effective. You have control over your expenses, allowing you to allocate funds to activities and experiences you value the most. Travel agencies. While travel agencies can provide convenience and expertise, they may come at a slightly higher cost due to service fees. However, some agencies offer exclusive deals and discounts that can offset this expense. Customization and flexibility. The level of customization and flexibility in your travel plans can vary significantly between DIY and travel agency bookings. DIY travel. This option excels in customization. You can handpick every detail of your trip, from the destination and accommodation to daily activities. It's ideal for travelers who want complete control over their experience. Travel agencies. While agencies offer pre-packaged tours, many also allow some degree of customization. You can often choose from a range of itineraries and add optional activities to suit your preferences. Safety and convenience. Safety and convenience are paramount when traveling, and both DIY and travel agencies have their advantages. DIY travel. Planning your own trip means you're responsible for ensuring all aspects of your journey, from booking flights to securing accommodations and transportation. It can be empowering but requires thorough research and organization. Travel agencies, they take care of all logistics, ensuring a hassle-free experience. This is especially beneficial for travelers who want a stress-free vacation without worrying about the details. Local insights. Exploring the local culture is often a highlight of travel. Here's how DIY and travel agencies approach this aspect. DIY travel. Traveling independently allows you to connect with locals on a more personal level. You can explore local neighborhoods, try authentic cuisine, and immerse yourself in the culture. Travel agencies. While guided tours offer valuable insights, they may follow a more touristy path. However, some agencies prioritize authentic cultural experiences, so research is essential. Environmental considerations. In an age of increasing environmental consciousness, your travel choices can also impact the planet. DIY travel. You have more control over your eco-friendly choices, such as choosing eco-conscious accommodations and minimizing your carbon footprint. Travel agencies. Some agencies are committed to sustainable tourism practices, offering eco-friendly options. However, it's essential to research and choose an agency aligned with your environmental values. In conclusion, the choice between DIY and a travel agency boils down to your preferences and priorities. Consider your budget, desire for personalization, and the level of involvement you want in planning your trip. The perfect approach might be a blend of both, booking flights and accommodations independently while relying on a travel agency for specific experiences or complex itineraries. By striking the right balance, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. We wish you good luck, and please comment your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to AfroConnect, like and share this post before you leave.
Alright guys, now let's discuss. Let me hear your opinions. Would you rather have your trip organized by yourself, or would you rather have a travel agency take care of everything for you? So for me personally, I would want to handle my trip. I would want to arrange everything myself. I love to do that because it gives me the knowledge and it exposed me to other things that I don't know. During the process, you get to learn different things about the country you're visiting or the place you're visiting. During your arrangements, your research, you're also adding knowledge to yourself. So that way you get to immerse yourself in the culture before you even reach. You know a lot, you've seen a lot, you've read a lot about the country. So when you get there, it just becomes easy for you to integrate. Let me hear your thoughts in the comments.